Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the core technologies for web development. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started on your coding journey. HTML provides the structure, CSS handles the styling, and JavaScript brings your web pages to life with dynamic features. Let's dive into building interactive and beautiful websites. To master HTML and CSS, begin by understanding common tags and how they structure content. Then, explore CSS to style those elements, focusing on selectors and properties. Practice building layouts and making them responsive for different screen sizes. Hands-on projects are key to solidifying your understanding and seeing your designs come to life across various devices. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of comfort during long coding sessions, quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, they're seriously the best. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Moving to JavaScript, start with fundamental concepts like variables, data types, and operators. Learn how to control program flow using conditionals and loops to add logic. A crucial step is understanding DOM manipulation, which allows you to interact with and change your web page dynamically. This opens up a world of possibilities for interactive user experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.